everyone, my name is Nhi. I'm 10 years old. Nice to meet you. Today we're got arithmetic lesson 91. Now we're on 91 today. It's a special day now. Now, arithmetic today we are learning about so many news more. Now, the first time I need to use stand up and sing a song. So we go deep down the sea with Miss Howe. We go deep down in the ocean to explore. We'll go deep down in the ocean to explore. We'll go deep down in the ocean. We'll go deep down in the ocean. We go deep down in the ocean to explore. We'll see all back in our sailboat to explore. We go back in our sailboat to explore. We'll go back in our sailboat. We will go back in our sailboat. We go back in our sailboat to explore. Now, let's sit down and have a learn. Now, let's learn next. Now, this is count song, and this count song is count by 3. Now, let's look at my computer. There is so many diamonds, right? Now, let's count by 3. Now, count with your mouth and see with your eyes to finish. 3 to 36. Now, stand up. Let's say it together. Now, let's always start. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28, 30, 33, 36. I know how to count by 3. Now, let's sing together. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 27, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. I know how to count by 3. Now, let's go to next, and this is a fun time. Okay, now let's count with the body. Now, the head. We touch the head is count by 10. We touch the shoulder is count by 5. We touch the tummy is count by 1. Now let's count together at 0. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 90, 100. Now, that is a fantastic way now. Now, let's review the clock, okay? Now, it's review the clock, okay? Now, let's look at my computer. It's about the clock with the dolphins. Now, let's look at the clock. It says how many times? You see the long hand is pointing to 9. And the short hand is pointing, look like next to 8, right? So it looks like 7. Now, 7. Let's count. The first time to think how many minutes is there. We know the hour is 7. Now let's count by 5 to know the minutes. Okay? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now, as the last lesson we know, the 12 to 6 we crossed. 9 to 3 we crossed. So 12 and 6 12 is 0 and 6 is 30. And 3 is 5, 15 and 9 is 45. So the long hand says it's 45 minutes. So the answer is 7:40, right? 7:40 is the correct answer. Now, do you have your own clock at so many last lesson? We are make a clock. Now, let's use your clock to learn. Now, let's look at my computer. What's the clock say? What's the clock say? Yes, it's 1:30. Now use your clock to make the clock to 1:30 or 1:30. Now, as you doing, I have this question. And you know there is a plus sign in the clock, so you can know all the way. Now, I have a long minute pointing to 11. Now, you know 9 is 45. 9 is 45 and all the way to 11. Now, what's that minute is in 11? Now, let's count together. 9, 5, 10, 15. And now, let's count 45. 45, 50, 55, right? Okay, now it's 55. Now, you have a question. And now the next, we have the 2 minutes in there. You see, it's 3 o'clock and 4:15 right now. You do it. And then you write in your notebook. There is more. It's 5:45. Now there are 4 time clock. Now you see 1, 1:30, 3 o'clock, 4:15, and 5:45. Now, actually, you can do it in your inside there. Okay, now in this lesson, we're learning new family. It's 9 addition family. Now let's look at my computer. It's all the way. Now, and why? It says the 9 addition family. Yes, you're right. Because all the number plus together all equal 10. Now let's listen. 0 plus 10 equal 10. 1 plus 9 equal 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 7 plus 3 equal 10. 2 plus 2, 8 plus 2 equal 10. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 plus 0 equal 10. Now you can read all this together. Write in your notebook your answer. Now remember it. Next lesson, I will teach you more about how to count diamonds and subtraction too. Okay? Now let's turn to the next. And this is about count coins. Now you look at this. You can see this is a quarter, right? And this is a dime. And a quarter equal 25, and a dime equal 10. And 25 plus 10 equal 35 because it's a plus 1 now. Now you will think 25 now. Yeah, plus 10. You drop the 0 at the 10 and plus the first number to first number. Equal 35, right? It's so easy. And you can do all this. You can see so many right. And you can say it to me. Now next time you can do it our homework, right? And our homework is do set work and count by 3, review the clock, and more. Thank you for watching and listening my video. Thank you and goodbye.